welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, I am going to be doing a refrigerator declutter. So this has been a long time coming. My refrigerator just tends to collect things, especially on the door. I'm sure I'm not the only one. If you're like trying a new recipe and it calls for like a certain sauce or whatever that you typically wouldn't use, it ends up on the side of the door and then you leave it there forever, and then it ends up in your refrigerator and for a long period of time, and then everything just collects and clutters over time. So what I'm about to show you is not pretty, but try not to judge me because I am inviting you into my life and into the realness behind what is going on in my life, whether that's like cleaning, decluttering, home organization, mental wellness, which are all things that I talk about on this channel and all things that I do on this channel. So anyway, this refrigerator has been collecting things for a while now. I'm not even sure what's in there. There is a smell coming from there, so there are some things that are probably like wedged behind other things. I don't know. It's just a lot going on. So I've been meaning to get around to this. I wanted to declutter my bathroom, but that's gonna have to happen at another time. I'll do that at a later date because I really need to focus on this refrigerator. I did find that when I did declutter like my kitchen cabinets, which you can also see in a previous video, that was really helpful in getting me into the kitchen and getting me excited about cooking, as opposed to just buying food when I'm out or just buying food in general, like from like restaurants and things like that. The next step I realized is the refrigerator, because I would buy new things and then shove them in there with like the old things, and then the new things would get lost, and then I become discouraged from cooking because I'm like, oh well, I don't have the right ingredients to cook. But I do, it's just that everything is just like so jam-packed together. So I realized that I really needed to declutter, number one, and then number two, I needed to come up with a system where everything became a little bit more organized. I'm going to be adding like different bins and things like that to help me stay organized and keep things on track and on point in the refrigerator. Yes, I don't know if that's going to make it into this video or not, but I do know that I need to at least start getting my refrigerator organized and get it cleaned out and clean it up, scrub it down, and yes, you have to start somewhere. So anyway, let's take a look inside. Found myself trying to get rid of the smell. This did nothing. As I'm pulling things out, what I think the next thing that I'll do is I'll check the expiration dates and dump out what's not good. That way I'm not making like the garbage bag too heavy or anything like that. I do apologize ahead of time for all of the food waste. I hate food waste, and I always try to use things that I have or use up what I have to try to eliminate food waste. Or I do try to recycle items as much as I can. However, this has been piling up for a while. I know they say when you have a baby, everything just gets, like piled up, and I'm like, oh no, that'll never happen to me. But here we are, 6 months later. So yeah, so that's what I'll do, and let's just keep moving. Top drawer done, even though it's just right here, but it's out of the refrigerator, so let's keep going. This is why it's important to have proper organization, because what even is in here, how long has it even been in here, yeah, so proper organization. So now we are completely empty here, and honestly this is probably gonna be like the hardest part, is all these sauces here that I don't even know what even are they. But yeah, time to clean this out next. Here's all the bags so far. There are 4 bags.